Haribol, if I'm available, if I'm visible, and if I am audible, kindly type in the chat box HB. HB का मतलब है Haribol. Very, very good evening, everyone. Let's start. Haribol, happy to see you all on this beautiful evening. चलिए शुरू करते हैं मस्त एकदम. All we have on this beautiful evening. Let's begin. Da 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 da. Whoa. Give me a second. Da 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 da. Okay, let's begin. So, all we have, very good evening, everyone. Suresh. Suresh. I feel so happy to see Suresh because Suresh, my first ever workshop, first ever, I can say, student, the oldest. It feels so good to see you. Happy, love you, brother. Loads of love, Suresh. Radhe Radhe. Kishore Kumar ji, Tripti, Ina, love, Anil ji. Advocate Dhanashri ji, fantastic. Nikhil. Hey, Nikhil. Is that Nikhil Srivastav? Okay, Hani. Tyagraj, Govindraj, Nehaditi, Shubhangi, Sanjay. Absolutely. Fantastic. Good evening, sir. Nice to see you again. Hope you're doing good. Doing great. Yeah, happy to know. Prakash Shinai. It's Nikhil Kulkarni. Okay, Nikhil Kulkarni. Happy to see you, Nikhil. Chalo, start kar them. Everyone, let's begin. Take your body loose and relax. Is the music audible? Please type in the chat box. Yes, fantastic. Keep your body loose and relax. Like a feather of a bird. Take your hands like this. Take your hands like this. Breathe in deep. Just take your hands like this at your bottom and just breathe in deep. Breathe in deep and take your hand up. And exhale with your hands down. You can exhale from your mouth. Enjoy breathing in deep. You can close your eyes, my dear friend. Close your eyes. Exhale with your hands down. Breathe in with your hands up. Exhale with your hands down. Have that smile on your face. Breathe in with hands going up. Exhale with hands going down. Breathe in with hands going up. Exhale with hands going down. Breathe in with hands going up. Breathe deep. Exhale with hands going down. Breathe in with hands going up. Exhale with hands going down. Wherever you are, just get up wherever you are. If possible, wear your headphones. Keep your eyes closed. And feel as if you're like a bird, the feather of a bird. You're feeling very light. Feeling very light like a bird. Your whole body from the top of your head till the bottom of your feet has become very light. Feel as if your cheeks, your shoulders, your chest is absolutely light and relaxed. Your whole body till your feet is relaxed. And my dear friend, move your hands very slowly. Just move your hands around you and dance consciously. Move your hands around and move very slowly, gently your hands. Get all your focus on your hands and dance with a smile on your face. Just move your hands very slowly. As your hands are moving, you're breathing in deep. And you're exhaling. Move very slowly. Move your hands very slowly. Very gently. And just dance. Move your body a bit. Like a flower, you're blooming. एक फूल के जरा जैसे आप खिल रहे हो. Move your hands very slowly. Go with the pace of the music. Very slowly, very gently. Keep moving your hands. And let your focus be on your breath. Breathe in deep as you're moving your hands. Be conscious of your breathing. And breathe your hands. Breathe in deep and slow. And dance very slowly. Dance very slowly. Keep your eyes closed. Let your focus be on your hands now. And just keep dancing in. As if you're in the forest, lost. In the forest there are beautiful roses, beautiful flowers. And you are like that free bird dancing in the forest. Keep dancing in. Keep your awareness on your hands. Keep dancing in. You're dancing in the forest like a free bird. You're dancing in for Krishna. You have become the Meera. Dance crazily. Just let go. Let things happen. Let go yourself. Keep dancing in. Keep moving your hands consciously. खो जाओ, मग्न हो जाओ. Keep moving your hands. Let go all the frustrations, all the worries, and dance with full energy. Very slowly, gently keep dancing in. Keep moving your hands. Keep dancing in, my friend. Dance as if you have drank the wine of divinity. Get lost into this. Go with the flow. Don't analyze. Just go. Keep dancing in. Feel the joy. Keep saying in your mind as you're dancing, Hari Bol, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Hari Bol. Keep dancing in. Keep dancing in. You're free from all the worries. You have drank the wine of divinity. My dear friend, very slowly Very slowly, just go and sit where you are right now. Slightly open your eyes and go and sit. As you sit on your place, again close your eyes. Close your eyes and sit down and visualize you're sitting, you're dancing in between the forest. Just visualize you're dancing in the forest. You're dancing in the forest with a lot of joy. You're dancing in for Krishna. You're saying, Krishna, wherever you are, come and bless me. My dear friend, just sit quietly and just visualize yourself. You're dancing in the forest with a hope that with this dance of joy and happiness, of playfulness, Krishna would come and bless you, meet you. My dear friend, you're in the forest. You see yourself, you're between the forest, there are beautiful flowers and roses, and you're saying, Krishna, 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 wherever you are. Come bless me. I want to see you. I want to meet you. I want to get your blessings. I just want to see you once, Krishna. Wherever you are. Please, एक बार दिख जाओ. एक बार प्रकट हो जाओ. मैं आपका सच्चा भक्त हूँ. I am your true devotee. I am in love with you, Krishna, wherever you are. I want to see you. Please come. And my dear friend, you just see you are in the forest and you see the clouds. The clouds are making sounds. You can see the lightning. And all of a sudden you see a beautiful blue light from the skies. A certain blue light is coming from the skies. You can see that blue light is coming from the skies, and slowly, 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 slowly. In this forest, you see this blue light, just the blue energy standing in front of you. And slowly, slowly, it is taking the shape. And you can see in front of you, Lord Krishna is standing.
Hare Krishna.
You can see the Lord himself is standing in front of you. You can't believe it's Krishna.
Krishna, Krishna.
You're walking towards Krishna and you're saying,
Hare
Krishna, I'm so happy to see you, Krishna. I really love you, Krishna. I really love you.
Hare Rama.
I love you too, my child. I love you too.
Hare Rama.
You've been going through a lot of troubles in life, a lot of struggles. Is that true? Yes, Krishna. Krishna, why there is so much of pain and struggle in my life, Krishna? Why I have to go through so much of hardships? And who has put all this pain in my life, Krishna? I have put all this pain in your life. It's my divine planning, my child. This is my divine planning. This is my divine conspiracy. I have put all the pain and struggles in your life. But why, Krishna? Why did you do this, Krishna, to me? Because I love you. I really love you. My way of expressing love is different, my child. That's what makes me different. I am the God. When I love you, I'll put through problems and struggles in life. And through these struggles and pain, you will grow as a human being. Your character will be built. My dear child, success builds ego. Failure, setbacks, struggles builds character. I want you to become that character. That's why I have put the problems in your life. The more you will go through struggles of life, my child, the more spiritual person you will become. The more sensitive, the more empathetic human you will become. You have seen my idol in this temple? Have you seen my statue in the temples? Yes, Krishna, I've seen. I've seen it, Krishna. I go to the temple, I see you, I pray. My dear child, I was just a stone. मैं बस एक पत्थर था. But I had to go through so much of pain and hammering, and then this idol of Krishna was born. The statue of Krishna was built. My dear child, if for me to give you blessings, even I have to go through pain and hammering, then what about you? अच्छा है. It's good. This pain will make you a better human being, more spiritual human being. This is my way of expressing love. I don't want you to be just a normal, ordinary human being, a mediocre person. I want you to become the Krishna himself. I want to awaken the Krishna inside of you, my child. You know my mother? Sorry, Krishna? You know my mother? Yes, I know your mother, Krishna. Would you like to have a son like Krishna? As a parent, would you like to have a son like Krishna or Krishna himself? Yes, Krishna. I would love to have a child. I would like you to born from me, Krishna. But you have to pay a heavy price. My parents, my mother, had to lose 8 children. 8 of my brothers were put to death, and then I was born. This pain my mother had to go through, and then the Krishna was born. I was born. If you're really seeking for something so beautiful, so amazing, this is the price you got to pay. For my mother, if I was supposed to born, she had to go through so much of pain. Just know this: the bigger the pain, the bigger the gain. I love you, my child.
You.
Thank you. Thank you, Krishna. I've learned that, Krishna, that my pain is my biggest gift. I will not run away from my pain, from my problems, from my struggles. I will embrace them, Krishna, and I will become a better human being. I love you, Krishna. I love you too, my child. Today I'm going to give you 3 secrets to become a very confident human being. You want to know these 3 secrets? Yes, Krishna, I want to know, Krishna. What are these 3 secrets, Krishna? To become a very confident human being. The first secret is become selfish. become selfish means what, Krishna?
Hare Krishna,
Becoming selfish means
Krishna Krishna,
do whatever you wish to do
Hare
because you love doing it. If you want to say something, say because you want to say, not for the validation of others. मुझे मजा आना चाहिए. This is the thing you should say to yourself. I should have fun. I is not the ego, but the divine inside of you. Be selfish, my child. Selfish means not crushing other people, thinking bad about others, but doing whatever. If you speak, speak to express, not to impress. You speak because you love speaking. You sing because you love singing. You want to please the divine inside of you.
Hare Krishna,
Do whatever you want in your life.
Krishna
Do it because you want to feel happy. Not somebody will give you recognition, appreciation, or even criticism. And when you do this, to please the divine within, you are going to blossom. You're going to speak confidently. You're going to work confidently. So don't look for validation of people. Don't look for appreciation of people. It doesn't matter if people appreciate you. It even doesn't matter if people criticize you. Be selfish. Do it for your personal happiness. Whatever you wish to do. Ask yourself, मुझे मजा आ रहा है? मैं अपने मजे के लिए कर रही हूँ. I want to feel happy. The first rule, the first secret to confidence is do whatever you want to do it to satisfy the divine within. Be selfish. Thank you, Krishna. I've realized that, Krishna, I'm doing everything to satisfy other people, looking for validation, appreciation of people. At times, even when speaking, Krishna, I don't express openly because I'm afraid of the criticism. My dear child, because your focus is on the outside, get your focus back inside of yourself. That self. Do whatever because you want to love doing it. You love doing it. Do it to please the divine within. Be selfish. What is the second secret, Krishna? Second secret is actions. Actions, karma. If you really want to gain confidence, unbeatable confidence, take actions. I did not get it, Krishna. Take actions means what? You know what? You think too much. You act very little. तुम सोचते बहुत ज्यादा हो, करते बहुत कम हो. From today onwards, my child, think less, act more. The more you'll take actions towards whatever you want, your confidence will grow. Make a list of all the things you wish to do and take actions towards it. The moment you take actions, your fear will just disappear like a morning mist. Fear is fearful of actions. डर को किसका डर लगता है? कर्म का. The moment you will take actions, your fear will just disappear like a morning mist. Keep taking actions, my child. Actions is the bridge between idea to manifestation. If you have any idea which you want to put it into reality, actions is the key. Even I have said to Arjuna in the Mahabharata, Karmarnevadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. You have the right to choose actions, but you got to take actions. The more you will start taking actions towards whatever you want, your confidence will grow more and more. The second secret is become an action taker. Think less, act more. Thank you so much, Krishna. I've realized the first secret is being selfish, focusing on inner self. And second is taking actions, doing the karmas. What is the third secret, Krishna? The third secret is, my child, morning ritual. Whenever you get up in the morning, as early as possible as you wake up, do any positive morning ritual, like praying, like meditating, like visualizing, like gratitude. Because if you do anything positive in the morning, your day goes well. If your morning is beautiful, your day is beautiful. If your day is beautiful, your week is beautiful. If your week is beautiful, your month is beautiful. If your month is beautiful, your year is beautiful. If your year is beautiful, your life is beautiful. Everything starts from the morning. The quality of morning decides the quality of your day. Start your morning with a positive ritual like meditation, gratitude, do anything. And it will give you immense confidence. Did you get that? Yes, Krishna, I got it. Every morning I'll wake up, Krishna, as early as possible. You can wake up any time. But when you wake up, after you wake up, between the first 1 hour, do any positive ritual. That will set you in a very positive state of mind. The quality of emotional state decides the quality of actions you take. The actions you take decides the results you get. And the positive results will give you a positive state. So start your morning with a very positive ritual. So 3 secrets are, can you repeat for me? Yes, Krishna. First is being selfish, to do anything to please the divine within without looking for validation of others or appreciation for others, or not even worrying about the criticism of others. Doing because I love doing it. And second, Krishna, is actions. I'm going to take more and more actions towards whatever I want, doing the karmas. And number 3, Krishna, is doing the morning ritual. I'll do that, Krishna. I'll do the morning ritual.
Hare Krishna.
I'll surely do it, Krishna. Thank you so much, Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
My dear, just come in my arms, give me a hug. You're in the arms of Krishna.
Krishna, Krishna.
And Krishna is saying, my dear child, just stay in my arms.
Hare Hare.
I'll free you from all your negative karmas. Feel my love, be in my arms.
Hare Rama. Hare Rama.
I love you, my child. Take care of yourself.
Rama.
I'm always there with you. I love you. I love you.
Hare Hare.
You can see Krishna is slowly going back into the skies. From the forest, Krishna is going high in the sky, going higher and higher and higher in the sky. And Krishna has gone. And from the forest, you're flying, flying, flying. You're leaving the forest, you're coming back, back, back. You're flying, you're going into your house. Just see yourself, you have reached your house. You are inside of your house. Just get aware of this place where you're sitting right now. Move your feet a bit. Move your hands a bit. Get your hands on your eyes. Slowly, very gently open your eyes. अपनी आंखें खोलिए. Very slowly, very gently open your eyes. The three beautiful secrets to gain immense confidence by Krishna is first is being selfish. Selfish means not the ego, but the divine inside of you, the Atman inside of you. If you want to speak, speak because you love speaking. Dance because you love dancing. Do whatever because you love doing it. Not because he will say, Kya baat hai? Not because somebody will appreciate you. Not because somebody will criticize you. Do it because you just love doing it. The focus is not on the outside. The focus is inside. Self. Ish. Be selfish. Do whatever because you love doing it. The first secret is this. Speak to express, not to impress. Second is taking actions. Whatever you wish. Whatever you wish. Whatever you want in your life. Karam to karo. Karmanne va adhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. Karam karo. The more you'll take action towards your goals, you will get more and more confidence. Think less, act more. And third is every morning you wake up, you do the Shakrishi meditation, you have it. You do TM, do the meditation. The morning meditation will set you in a very positive momentum, positive motion. You'll get in a very positive state. Morning अच्छी, दिन अच्छा, हफ्ता अच्छा, महीना अच्छा, साल अच्छा. ऐसे सालों साल अच्छे तो जिंदगी अच्छी. Mast. So just focus on this. I can see the beautiful messages. I'll just read them. But also do copy this message and put in the WhatsApp group. So rest of the members would also read it who are not present. But I would love to read. Love has written this. I have completed the year with Sadosh sir. आया ये सोच के था कि एंजाइटी ठीक होगी जॉब चेंज होगी but no school can teach what sir teaches us to make a good human being, a humble person, and self love. Three L's: love, life, love, laugh, and laughter. Absolutely. Love. 3L is very important. Love, laugh, and laughter. Very, very important. Beautifully put. Thank you so much. That's what I say. Love. In this journey, the Bodhis, the focus is not on overcoming. ये निकल जाए, anxiety निकल जाए, worry निकल जाए, guilt निकल जाए, fear निकल जाए. नहीं. Focus should not be on overcoming. Overcoming is like darkness. Focus on becoming. Becoming more peaceful, more joyful, more confident, more happy, more funny, more playful, more stupid. These positive emotions are like light. We cannot take the darkness away. Nobody can. We can just put the light on and the darkness will just go away. Focus on light. Focus on becoming. Fantastic. Honey saying, oh God, tears from the very first second when I started talking to Krishna. It's amazing. Every word is so perfect and gentle. Thank you so much, honey. Thank you so much. So beautiful. I love you all. Thank you so much. Can you please reiterate on second message, becoming actionable? Chinmay Khedkar is saying, action. Chinmay matlab, actions. You must take actions. Choose actions. What actions can you take? If you want to grow in your business, what actions can you take? You know, can you focus more on marketing? Can you take actions, learning new skills? Right? What actions can you take? Actual going out in the world and doing something. The biggest beautiful spiritual word is do. Nike's slogan, just do it. Nike, just do it. Do whatever you wish you want, do it. Okay. So second step is actions, take actions. If you want to become more spiritual, if you want to become more peaceful, follow Bodhisattva. Follow in the morning meditations. That's the action. If you want to lose weight, you can't just think. You got to go to the gym or you must do yoga, whatever. That is the action. Okay. You want to make more money. What is the action step? Learn how the investments are done. Learn how to manage money. Learn how to multiply money. Learn how to make money. Whichever sector, take actions. Actions lena padega. You know, Bhagat Singh, when India was going, when there was so much of injustice being done, the cruelty that was done by the Britishers, most of the people were praying. Bhagat Singh and all those wonderful freedom fighters, they took actions. They went onto the field and actually did something for the country. That is called as actions. उतरो मैदान में और कुछ करो, कुछ कर गुजरो. Actions, कर्म करो. Physical activity, do something realistic in the world. Not just think, act. That is the thing, Chinmay here. Okay. Much needed session, sir. As kabhi मैं खो जाती हूँ and daily life stuffs and I feel I want to do something more meaningful. Do anything. Just do it. Just do it. Doing is the new learning. The new slogan by Dell. Do is the most wonderful word. कुछ करो, करो, करो. सोचो नहीं, कुछ करो. ठीक है? Thank you so much, everyone. Love you all. See you all tonight, tomorrow night at 9 p.m. We're going to do very, very interesting thing tomorrow. And I'll see you tomorrow night. Hare Krishna. Thank you, Anil. You can copy your messages and do put in the WhatsApp group. I'll just open it for half an hour. So rest of the members, they will also feel, अरे आना चाहिए, कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है. Thank you so much. Love you all. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Love you all. Happy Gita Jayanti, everyone. Wow, what a coincidence. It's a Gita Jayanti. And and we had the Krishna process, Krishna method, Krishna Dhyan. Beautiful. I wasn't aware, but it happened coincidentally. Thank you so much. Thank you, Krishna. Good night, everyone. Good night. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.